Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can archive something in Notion. So there's like actually only one way how we can archive it. If you go to, I don't know, I'm going to create a page new, whatever, and I have it right here. You need to actually delete it. Like the delete button is actually archive button, because everything you will delete won't get actually deleted. It will be in a trash, yes, but it won't get like ultimately deleted. Like when you are in a Windows and you delete something forever and you can't find it anymore, it's not working in Notion like that. So when I'm going to delete it and I will click trash, you will always see everything here, right? So this is how you can then filter it. So when you're going to rename the page, okay, archived page, you just simply can find it and then just restore it if you want to. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I know that this is like really weird trick, but this is the only way how we can do it. And have a great day and goodbye.